Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. It's December 31st, a Friday. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and this is my sign-off video for 2021, and what a year it's been. But nevertheless, we are creatures of habit, at least I am, so I start off the morning looking at today's economic calendar, and today they tell me it's New Year's Day, none is scheduled, no announcements, knew that. And moving over to the business news on CNBC, there's a great article here. Bank accidentally deposits $176 million into people's accounts on Christmas Day. So if you were one of those lucky people, don't say anything. Anyway, moving along to the Emini, and today here I am. Let's see, I still have a trade on. Here I am. Resistance is up here at 48.02. Supported 47.75, a 27-point range for today. It's going to be narrow. The close yesterday was 47.72 down here. And looking at the big picture of the S&P, and I have it here. Let me magnify this. This is yesterday. Here we are today. Pretty narrow range. It looks like we might have seen the high of the year, and it's been a great year. So nevertheless, see, the range is narrowed. We had a great day Monday. Yesterday we put in a new high by 1 3/4 points. 1 3/4 points. So I think that was the last hurrah for 2021. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. At any rate, back to the E-mini, and the trading is moving along from yesterday. And yesterday we had a very relatively narrow day. Prices traded in a pretty tight range until 3:30, and then the prices fell off. By the way, we made the high right over here. Okay, so that was it for yesterday. Today we are over here. Where will the market go? Will the market trade within our trading zone? Well, for those of you who've taken my course, you know how to use the trading zone. It's only a calculated number, and we have to fit the suit to the man, right? So that's a hint, and if you want to know what that means, sign up for my E-mini trading course and you will know. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen signing off. Have a happy new year. Trade safe if you're trading today, but you can take the day off. You have my permission. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 2022.